Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add another credit card to My Capital One app. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that your account or your website it has the correct plan or version that supports this feature, so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on the Capital One app or website, what you will have to do is click account. So you should see it right here if you've already signed in already. And then what you will have to do after clicking accounts, you will just have to select add credit card and then you will choose add Capital One card. And then you will enter the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV, and then you will click next. And then you will follow the verification process via SMS or email. And then once confirmed, the card will now appear under your accounts. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it did help. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.